Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers in Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Southwest Cape Coral and I got this beautiful spec home to show you. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a beautiful inside. I mean, wait until you see it. First, let's do like I do on my videos. I'm gonna go around the home so you can see the outside and then we'll move in. This home right now is available for sale. There's also other ones already built that are also available for sale. So if you like this floor plan, you have a selection of different areas that you can select it from, okay? As you can see, it's a very nice home. I love the landscape. This builder does a really good landscape. As you can see, the outside lanai, I think it's 30 by 10, so it's very nice and wide. You also have your sliding doors that go pocket behind the wall there on the side. And you also have over here, let me show you, the hookup for a sink if you want to have an outdoor kitchen. Also, you have your own or your outlets there. Okay, let's keep moving along. As you can see over here on the side there, starting to build another home. Today's a beautiful day here in Cape Coral. Temperature is like 82 degrees and windy. And we haven't seen rain in the last 2 weeks. So the weather has been like this for the last 2 weeks, so really nice. Okay, as you can see here, you got a double car garage. And what I like about this home is the style and the detail. Wait until you go inside and see what this home offers. As you come in, you have this nice entryway here. You got your nice big 8-foot doors with your combo entry. And we're in. Please comment below and tell me what you think about this floor plan. Check out the nice entrance. Very nice and wide. I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but it's very nice entrance. It's like, wow. Okay, now we're gonna go over here to the left. We do have a pocket door here. And over here to my left, over here is room number 1. They're pretty nice sized rooms. Check out the closet with the 8-foot doors. Very nice. You have plank tiles all throughout except in the bedrooms. Over here, let's take a look at the guest bathroom. A solid countertop. Nice tile on the backsplash. With one of those new things that they're putting on homes now, the box, so you can put your shampoo. I mean, the home, it's not clean yet. It's just completed, but they still have to do a little cleaning on it. But I just wanted to, before it's sold, I wanted to get this home to show it to you. As I was saying before, they're building others right now, and there's some of them that are already built. So you have a selection on where you want the location. They're all around here in the southwest part of the Cape, more or less north of Pine Island. Now we're gonna go over here, move to the right, and we have this little area here. As you come out of the garage, you got that little table there. That's probably to put all your stuff when you come in. And over here is your double car garage. Back there's your water heater. I like the nice high ceilings. Okay, a lot of people are putting bands up there. they do a track and they put like one of those big yellow vents and they put them up there. So for extra space. So it's nice. It's a really nice size garage. Over here we have a closet. And here we have the laundry room. And over here you got the hookup for a sink if you want to put one up. And then over here it's your mechanical room, it's your AC system. This is really nice because it's away from the bedrooms. So it's very quiet, and over here is where all your internet comes in. And this is where all your controls go for the whole house. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, now we come into the living room over here and the amazing dining room over here. Kitchen and dining room, okay? Check it out. This room tends to be a pretty big size. Let me stand over here in the corner so you can visualize it. What I like about this island is on the bottom of the island, you have all this space down here. So it's really nice and convenient that you could put some stuff down there. Also, check out the nice refrigerator, your microwave with your oven, one on top of the other. And here you got a very nice pantry. Here, let's go with the light. Yep. So you still have more space to put more shelves going up for those things that you tend not to use that often. Here's your stove. And this is this area for your dining room. Pretty nice area. Very nice chandelier. Check out the effect that it does on the ceiling. It's a very nice layout. It's not open, so if you have friends and family, you could be in the kitchen and be talking to everybody. You could be watching TV at the same time also. Most likely the TV will go on this wall here, where it has all the hookups. So it's nice, and like I was saying before, this slider hides behind this wall here. So you go open it all straight and all this becomes one space. So it's very common in the Florida homes here that you have that connection from the outside to the inside when you open the doors and you're hidden behind the wall. So it looks nice. Over here you also have tray ceilings. And now let's go ahead and go to the master bedroom. So you come in, you see you also have tray ceiling over here. And you have this 3 windows, so it's very bright. It's gonna be a very bright room. And it's a nice size, very nice size. Now we're gonna go into the master bathroom here. Check it out, you have a nice shower. Here's your shower valve and shower, and very spacious. We got 2 windows that add a lot of light. And check out this nice big glass over here. Okay, over here you have your counter, your cabinet, your 2 sinks with a solar top. Over here you have a towel closet, and over here you have your toilet closet, toilet in there, and here's your main closet, nice size. Let me stand over here so you can see it. Nice walk-in closet. So, there we go. Well, please give me your comments below what you think about this layout. And also give me a like. It really helps my algorithm in YouTube to promote this video and all my videos to more people. So I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and give me some comments. And remember, if you're looking for a property to move here in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida, my wife and I have been doing real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years. And if you have any questions about this property or any other property, we're here to help you. Just give us a call at 239-410-7372. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.